Tiny Tidy Tuesday, cleaning behind my stove. Hi, I'm Sharon and my YouTube channel is Sharon Shornagel, and I'd like to welcome you to my channel. And it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday, and I'd like to thank Sunday Dawn who started this collaboration. And we do a playlist once a month, and it will be the second Tuesday of every month. So then we'll have a playlist. Channel is The Helpful Home. So please go check her out. She does all kinds of great things on her channel. Okay, I've been wanting to do this forever and ever. I'm going to pull my stove up and clean behind it. Once you get going, you just can't stop. So in last week's Tiny Tidy, you saw me clean out that corner cupboard. And after I got the corner cupboard and stuff all cleaned out, I decided to pull out my stove. Well, it made that video way too long, so I decided I'd save it for this week. Anyhow, that's what I'm going to do right now, is clean behind my stove, which I've wanted to do for some time now. And I'd like to welcome you again to my channel. And if you like this content, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up and say hello and tell me maybe what you have been cleaning in your house. Okay, let's get back to doing behind the stove. What is back here? Lots of stuff. Oh yeah, this has been bugging me. And it certainly needs to be done. Pick up a few things off the floor. Some broken glass back here. Okay. Bring the vacuum in. Well, I thought I'd just check in here and see how everybody is doing. I hope your summer is going along just great. We did have the first day of summer. I believe that was yesterday. And we are doing fine. I've been doing a lot of gardening and getting all my fairy gardens set up. And if you're interested in watching that, I do have a fairy garden not a channel, but I do have a fairy garden list that you can find and watch all my fairy garden stuff. I've been busy making crafts to sell at the seniors hall, and I've been going to the seniors hall. I haven't made it out kayaking yet, but that is on our list to do, and bike riding also. It's been raining here in Lethbridge. So while it's been raining, I've been inside cleaning the house. I did plant some annuals that I started from seed this year, and they are doing very well in my garden. I am quite pleased. I have asters and I have cosmos, and I put quite a few new perennials into my garden this year, so it should look quite pretty. Anyhow, this is never a fun job cleaning behind the stove, but it is a necessary job to keep it clean so your stove runs efficiently. So I have it vacuumed and I have it all mopped up, cleaned up, just finishing the wall behind the stove. It usually gets kind of yucky. Anyhow, I'll just play a little bit more music and just keep on cleaning. The other side wasn't too bad. So I'm going to clean this side of the stove. Maybe I should put some power on. See if this will take something off. I'm spraying Bon Ami glass cleaner on there because there's a few grease spots and stuff that are being stubborn. So we're just going to see if that will work. And I believe it worked really well. Oh, that's white paint. Oh yeah, this is a little bit better. Nice and shiny. Getting the grease off. It's actually just window cleaner. Bonami. Window cleaner. Window cleaner. Must be cheese. Here we go. Nice and clean. Nice and clean and shiny. And we'll push it back into place. My son just came back from the grocery store. He went out to get some stuff that we're going to have with our supper tonight. So that's always good. And he always brings some goodie home, which makes his mama happy. Anyhow, we're just getting this stove back in place. And he's just telling me all about what he's bought and brought home for us to enjoy. So now I'm putting my stove stuff back in place and making sure it's all nice and clean. Okay, oops, tidy up my detail. Okay, we also got the stove all cleaned underneath. Yay. So, that's my tiny tidy for this Tuesday. I hope you enjoyed it. I got a couple of little tasks done that I wanted to get done for a while in the kitchen. And we'll see you in my next video, which will be Fairy Garden Thursday. And thanks again, Sunday Dawn from the Help to Home. Okay, we'll see you all again. Bye.